Top 5 worst vegetables you must avoid if you have diabetes. Did you know some vegetables can secretly spike your blood sugar? You might think all veggies are safe, but the truth is, certain ones can do more harm than good if you have diabetes. If you've been diagnosed with diabetes or know someone who has, you already know how important diet is. But here's the thing, choosing the wrong vegetables could sabotage your efforts to stay healthy. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 worst vegetables you must avoid if you have diabetes. Stick around because at the end I'll also share 6 amazing vegetables that are perfect for keeping your blood sugar in check. You don't want to miss this. 1. Potatoes. Let's talk about one of the most common vegetables in kitchens around the world. Potatoes. They might seem harmless, but if you're managing diabetes, potatoes are one of the worst culprits you can include in your diet. Here's why. Potatoes are packed with starch and carbohydrates, both of which break down into glucose in your bloodstream. This rapid conversion can cause a dangerous spike in your blood sugar levels, making them a poor choice for anyone trying to keep their diabetes under control. To put it into perspective, potatoes have a glycemic index, GI, of 86 per 100 grams. For comparison, foods with a GI above 70 are considered high, meaning they can cause quick and significant blood sugar spikes. It doesn't matter how you prepare them, baked, boiled, fried, or mashed. Potatoes in any form can wreak havoc on your blood sugar. Even sweet potatoes, often marketed as a healthier alternative, should be consumed with caution due to their moderate glycemic index and high carbohydrate content. But here's the real kicker. Potatoes are often paired with other high-carb or high-fat ingredients like butter, cheese, or oil, making the meal even more problematic. According to a 2020 study published in Diabetes Care, frequent consumption of starchy vegetables like potatoes is associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and poor glycemic control in those already diagnosed. So what's the solution? Swap out potatoes for low-carb alternatives like cauliflower or zucchini. These vegetables can mimic the texture of potatoes in recipes without the blood sugar roller coaster. Remember, managing diabetes isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices that help you live a healthier life. 2. Corn. Corn might be a beloved staple in many diets, but if you're living with diabetes, it's time to rethink this popular vegetable. While it's versatile and often used in salads, soups, and side dishes, corn's nutritional profile makes it a poor choice for managing blood sugar levels. Here's the issue. Corn is packed with carbohydrates. Just 1 cup of corn contains around 21 grams of carb. That's a significant amount for a single serving, especially when you're trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. To make matters worse, corn also contains natural sugars, including glucose, which can quickly raise your blood sugar after consumption. But it's not just the corn itself. Products made from corn, like corn syrup, are even more problematic. High fructose corn syrup, for example, is a highly concentrated sweetener that's often added to processed foods and beverages. Studies have linked it to insulin resistance, obesity, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Even small amounts of corn syrup can contribute to blood sugar spikes, making it a double-edged sword for people with diabetes. What's more, corn has a moderate glycemic index of 52, which might not seem too high at first glance. However, its glycemic load, a measure that takes portion size into account, is much higher. This means even a small serving can have a big impact on your blood sugar. According to a 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition, diets high in starchy vegetables like corn are associated with poorer glycemic control in individuals with diabetes. So what can you do? Instead of corn, opt for non-starchy vegetables like broccoli or spinach. These options are low in carbs, rich in fiber, and packed with nutrients that support healthy blood sugar levels. Small swaps like these can make a big difference in your overall health. Stay tuned, because we're just getting started. Up next, we'll uncover more vegetables that might be sabotaging your diabetes management plan. And trust me, some of them might surprise you. 3. Celery. Celery might seem like an odd addition to this list. After all, It's low in calories, low in carbohydrates, and packed with water, qualities that make it appear like the perfect vegetable for a diabetes-friendly diet. But here's the catch. It's not about what's inside the celery, it's about what's on it. Celery is one of the most pesticide-laden vegetables out there. As a tall, growing crop with thin, porous skin, it absorbs chemicals more easily than other vegetables. By the time it reaches your kitchen, it's often coated in harmful pesticides and chemicals used during farming and transportation. For people with diabetes, who may already have compromised immune systems, consuming such contaminated produce can lead to additional health problems, including inflammation and increased risk of infections. A report from the Environmental Working Group, EWG, consistently ranks celery among the top dirty dozen foods, produce with the highest pesticide residues. In fact, a single stalk of conventionally grown celery can contain traces of over 60 different pesticides. That's alarming, especially for individuals managing a condition like diabetes, where every choice matters. Now, you might think washing or peeling celery can solve the problem, but unfortunately, that's not enough. Pesticides often penetrate deep into the vegetable, making it nearly impossible to remove entirely. The safest choice? Opt for organic celery whenever possible. Organic farming practices use fewer chemicals, reducing your exposure to harmful substances. Alternatively, consider swapping celery for safer, pesticide-resistant options like cucumbers or zucchini, which can provide similar crunch and versatility without the added risks. Four, broad bean. Broad beans, also known as fava beans, might seem like a harmless addition to your plate, but for those managing diabetes, they can pose a hidden threat. While they're often praised for their protein content and fiber, it's the sugar and calorie levels that make them a less than ideal choice. Here's the breakdown. 1 cup of broad beans contains about 12 grams of sugar. That's a significant amount, especially when you consider that most of their carbohydrate content comes directly from sugar. This means consuming broad beans can lead to quick blood sugar spikes, making it harder to maintain stable glucose levels. To add to the concern, they're also relatively high in calories, with 1 cup packing 111 calories. For people with diabetes who need to carefully manage their calorie intake, this can be a problem. But it's not just about the numbers. Broad beans are often used in recipes that include additional starchy or sugary ingredients, which can further exacerbate their impact on blood sugar. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, high glycemic foods like broad beans can contribute to insulin resistance over time, making diabetes management even more challenging. So, what's the alternative? Instead of broad beans, consider incorporating green beans into your meals. Green beans are lower in calories, carbs, and sugar, making them a much better option for blood sugar control. Plus, they're versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways, from steaming to stir-frying, without compromising their nutritional benefits. 5. Winter squash. Winter squash varieties like butternut squash, acorn squash, and pumpkin are often celebrated for their rich flavors and impressive nutrient profiles. They're loaded with vitamins like A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, making them seem like a healthy choice for any diet. But when it comes to managing diabetes, these vegetables can be a double-edged sword. Here's why. Winter squash is classified as a starchy vegetable, meaning it's higher in carbohydrates compared to non-starchy options like cucumbers or leafy greens. A single cup of cooked butternut squash, for instance, contains about 16 grams of carbohydrates. While that might not sound like much, for someone with diabetes who needs to monitor carb intake closely, it can quickly add up. Even pumpkin, which is often touted as a superfood, contains around 12 grams of carbs per cup. These carbs can cause blood sugar levels to spike, especially if portions aren't carefully controlled. The glycemic index, GI, of winter squash also plays a role. Foods with a high GI are digested quickly, leading to rapid increases in blood sugar. While not all winter squashes have an extremely high GI, their carb content combined with common preparation methods, like adding sugar or sweeteners, can make them problematic. If you're craving the comforting taste of winter squash, moderation is key. Stick to small portions and pair them with high-fiber, low-carb foods to slow down digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. Better yet, consider swapping them out for non-starchy vegetables like cucumbers, asparagus, or zucchini. Now that we've uncovered the hidden dangers lurking in some common vegetables, it's time to shift gears. While avoiding these high-carb, blood sugar spiking options is crucial, the good news is that there are plenty of vegetables that not only taste great, but also help manage diabetes effectively. These superfoods are packed with nutrients, low in carbs, and can even help stabilize your blood sugar levels. So let's dive into the top 5 vegetables that are a must-have for anyone managing diabetes. Trust me, these are the real game changers. 1. Broccoli. Let's talk about one of the best vegetables you can eat if you have diabetes, broccoli. This humble vegetable is not just good for your health, it's fantastic for managing blood sugar levels. Broccoli is part of the cruciferous family, and it's loaded with nutrients and fiber, making it a perfect addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. A single cup of chopped broccoli contains only 6 grams of carbohydrates and 2.5 grams of fiber, which is great news for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar in check. The fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dangerous spikes. Plus, the low carb count makes it easy to fit into your meals without worrying about exceeding your carb limits. But the benefits don't stop there. Broccoli is also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Studies have shown that consuming cruciferous vegetables like broccoli can support overall health and even help prevent cancer, which is an added bonus for anyone looking to improve their well-being. If you're not a fan of plain broccoli, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to enjoy it. You can try marinated broccoli for a burst of flavor, or even roast it with Parmesan for a crispy, savory side dish. For a complete meal, consider making a saucy beef and broccoli stir-fry, which is both delicious and diabetes-friendly. 2. Cabbage. Cabbage might not always be the first vegetable that comes to mind, but it's one of the best options for anyone managing diabetes. Whether it's braised, fermented, or made into a crunchy slaw, cabbage offers a wide variety of flavors and textures while being incredibly low in carbohydrates. A single cup of shredded cabbage contains just 4 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of fiber, making it an excellent choice for controlling blood sugar levels. The fiber in cabbage helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood glucose. This is especially important for people with diabetes, as managing blood sugar is key to avoiding complications. Cabbage is also packed with antioxidants and vitamins, which help reduce inflammation and support overall health. If you're looking for new ways to enjoy cabbage, there are plenty of options. You can grill it for a smoky flavor, or try making beef and rice stuffed cabbage rolls for a satisfying meal. If you prefer something lighter, a simple cabbage slaw can add a refreshing crunch to your plate. Adding cabbage to your diet is a simple and effective way to keep your blood sugar in check while also benefiting from its rich nutritional profile. Whether you prefer it cooked or raw, cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can easily be included in a diabetes-friendly meal plan. Three, asparagus. Asparagus is one of the best vegetables to include in your diabetes-friendly diet. With just 5 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of fiber in a single cup, it's a powerhouse for blood sugar management. The high fiber content in asparagus helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down sugar absorption, preventing rapid spikes that can be harmful for those with diabetes. In addition to being low in carbs, asparagus is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, like vitamin K, folate, and iron, which support overall health and boost immunity. This makes it not only beneficial for managing diabetes, but also for improving your general well-being. When preparing asparagus, there are endless possibilities to suit your taste. Roasting it brings out its natural sweetness and creates a delicious, crispy texture. You can also add it to skillet meals like asparagus turkey stir-fry or chicken veggie skillet for a healthy, satisfying dish. The versatility of asparagus makes it an easy addition to any meal, whether as a side or the star of the show. So if you're looking for a nutritious, low-carb vegetable to help manage your diabetes, asparagus is an excellent choice. It's easy to prepare, delicious, and full of health benefits that support blood sugar control and overall wellness. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower has become a go-to vegetable in many kitchens, and for good reason, especially for those managing diabetes. With just 5 grams of carbohydrates per cup and 2 grams of fiber, cauliflower is a low-carb, high-fiber vegetable that can easily fit into a diabetes-friendly diet. The fiber in cauliflower helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Cauliflower is rich in antioxidants, vitamins C and K, and phytonutrients that help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and boost your immune system. For people with diabetes, these properties are especially important as they help reduce the risk of complications associated with the condition, such as cardiovascular disease. What's even better is that cauliflower is incredibly versatile. You can use it to create low-carb versions of your favorite dishes, like garlic Asiago cauliflower rice, creamy cauliflower mash, or even a gluten-free cauliflower pizza crust. It's an excellent substitute for higher carb ingredients like rice or potatoes, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to control their blood sugar levels without sacrificing flavor. Incorporating cauliflower into your meals is an easy way to add nutrients while keeping your carb intake in check. Whether you're making a side dish or a main course, cauliflower is a fantastic diabetes-friendly option that's both delicious and nutritious. 5th, kale. Kale has become a superstar in the world of healthy eating, and for good reason, especially for those with diabetes. With only 6 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of fiber per cup, kale is an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. The fiber in kale slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to prevent spikes in blood glucose levels. But kale is more than just a low-carb vegetable. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, which support immune function, bone health, and reduce inflammation, key factors for managing diabetes. Additionally, kale contains antioxidants that can help protect your body from oxidative stress, a common issue for people with diabetes. Kale is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. Whether you're steaming it as a simple side dish, tossing it into a fresh salad, or even making crispy kale chips with a dash of Old Bay seasoning, this leafy green can easily be incorporated into your meals. It's a great way to add nutrients to your diet without worrying about your carb intake. For those managing diabetes, adding kale to your plate can be a game changer. It's not just nutritious, it's also delicious and easy to prepare. If you're looking for a way to improve your blood sugar control while enjoying tasty, satisfying meals, kale should definitely be on your list. So, there you have it, the top 6 worst vegetables you must avoid if you have diabetes. It's crucial to be mindful of what you eat, as certain vegetables can spike your blood sugar levels and make managing diabetes more challenging. But don't worry, by making the right choices and swapping out these harmful veggies for healthier alternatives, you can take control of your health and enjoy delicious meals without compromising your well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Have you tried any of these vegetables before? What other foods do you avoid to manage your diabetes? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful tips and insights about living with diabetes. If you want to learn more about which foods are best for you, be sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Remember, taking small steps towards better food choices can make a big difference in your health. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.